Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a animated video in Canva with the free version. Let's pull up Canva. You can go ahead and create a free account, which I already have. Then we go into video and click on video below. I've already done this, so I'm going to go to projects and click on the one I was working on. And then we can go ahead and click on add page. I'll get back to my other videos below, or the other animation below, but for now let's create a new one. We'll go ahead and click on elements, and here are the animated objects that I used. But if you're looking for a particular object or element, you just go ahead and type it in. We want to look for trees. Some of these are static, and you want to make sure you click on graphics so you can pull up all the graphics for trees. If you want to pull up, let's say, a meadow or clouds, let's go to my recently used, and as you can see, I found ones that are animated. For instance, this cloud here, and this moving tree, this butterfly, moving grass. So let's go ahead and create our background. I'll go ahead and drag this onto our canvas, and I'll just realign it so I can get the entire screen. Now let's go ahead and put in our moving or animated bush. You go ahead and right click and copy and then paste if you want to have more than one, or Control V. There you go. Make them smaller, and we're starting to build our environment. Put in some moving trees, put some in the background. Now in order to have moving trees, obviously we want a blowing cloud. We'll put this one in here, nice and large. Now here's the exciting part. We want these clouds to move from left to right, so we click on the animate button, and it says here create animation. So here we can just start following this line, which gives us the path of the cloud. There you go. Then we click done. If you want to have another type of cloud, we'll just bring in this one here with the lightning and rain. We'll just make this one large, put it somewhere in the middle. Once again, click on animate, create an animation. Now let's go to the one I created. Just click on the new page below, and we could scroll to the beginning of it, and we hit play, and there you have it. You could just pick any of these elements and add a dissolve or a particular transition just by putting in a transition from dissolve. You can use a slide, a dissolve, color wipe, and we just bring it down into between your pages here. Hope you have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.